Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Bitcoin is pumping right now, exactly as I predicted in the last video, making this final move to 29K. Now, is this going to be the final move? As I said, my prediction for a while has been 29K and then 21K on this B2C final wave correction. Is that going to take place? And congratulations, anyone that went along with me yesterday on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that video where I said where I think Bitcoin is going to pump, and then it did. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Me 21 hours ago. Loss is at 26,612 and take profit is at 29,000. This risk to reward 22 times. So that's one trade. And then 1 hours later, boom, Bitcoin pumped. Look at that, following my line. Booyah. Who's the best at TA? Who's the best at TA? Yeah, Bitcoin pumping out of this symmetrical triangle. Target is 29K. 29.9K, but the final B wave I had marked from a very long time ago at 28.5K, and we came to 28,350, and now it's at 27,871. So it hit that final wave. Now the question, is this the final B2C wave? Is this the end of this run? If we zoom out, so if you've been following my videos for the last few months, I've been predicting it like crazy, and what I've been seeing is this rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. Rising wedge, which moves like this, builds pressure, and breaks to the downside. Then we had the Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I called the top there in May, in when I was in Greece or something, the final wave that was complete. And then we had that big correction, then A, B bounce. Now, is this the final bounce before the C wave correction down to 21K? That is the question. Weekly stochastic is turning up from extremely oversold. Daily stochastic is turning up from extremely oversold. 4 hourly turning up as well. Massive pump. Now the question is, the problem is the stochastic is so oversold on the weekly. To sell now is not the best time. The best time to sell is up here when the stochastic is above the dotted line, double tops. When it's below the dotted line and turns up, that's actually the time to buy. And on the weekly, but this ABC corrective wave, this part is the difficult part in trading, everyone. Congratulations, anyone that took that long yesterday. You're massively in profits, or if you've been taking these longs with me for the last few while, and it activated the trade. See how it wicked down? The question is now, is this the final wave? Is this the time to close everything? According to Elliott waves, B to C corrective wave, but this is the most difficult decision. And you can see here in my account, this is my Bybit account. My Bitcoin trade is up $2,000, $2,073 from that trade from a few days ago. In this account, $307,000. And if you remember, when I was in Greece, it peaked at 320. When I called Bitcoin at 31K was the top before corrective wave. It peaked at 320. So, but now I have much bigger positions. So yesterday I made plus $4,000. I've got USD 131,000. So I have less of my USD deployed, but I have more positions. So Doge is up 1.6%. I've got 36,000. Doge didn't move much. If Elon announces something, this is going to go crazy. So I'm going to buy another 1,000 of Doge at the current price, a bit of a pullback. I've got Bitcoin 29.4K, 3% up on Bitcoin. Uniswap, I've got 27K, 4% up on Uniswap. MCRT 24K, slightly up. FXS 20,000, up 6%. Those buys on FXS are very good buys. And my Bitcoin trade $2,100 in the profits. Now again, is this the final wave? Should I be closing? And according to Elliott waves and according to what we've been saying for a long time, my target is hit. I publicly announced it on Twitter when I was in that Twitter Spaces. I publicly announced on my video that my target was 29K and the corrective wave to 21K. And now we're here. The only thing that I'm seeing that is, one, we've got this big W formation forming, that if it pushes up, 33K is that resistance area on that yellow trend line on this corrective, this rising wedge. That's one reason. And the second reason that I'm hesitant to sell is the weekly stochastic being so oversold and turning up. But according to Elliott wave, 29K was the target, which it hasn't yet hit. It came very close, 28.5. And then we should have this B2C corrective wave. So again, difficult time. We're at a very strong resistance. It bounced off this blue line exactly, almost perfectly. Look at that. we came to 28,350. Sorry, it was yesterday. It was Sunday night, drinking and had barbecue with family. According to Elliott Wave, we should close, but this is a difficult decision. One, we have this W formation that can take us up to here, 33k. I'm gonna just do it now. Elliott Wave says we're in this final corrective wave. Stochastic says that we're turning up and that we can move more. So I'm not. Here's difficult. One sec, I'm getting attacked by dogs. Like literally. So I love dogs. Okay, my target. Difficult. Best thing to do is close everything now and see if it hits resistance and turns down. But this weekly is so oversold. This is the hard part. Everyone, this is the hard part. It hit my target. It hit this B wave or came very close, like we were a few dollars off. Symmetrical triangle says we've got more to run to this 30k because there's the heavy. I mean, here is a very heavy resistance, but strongest resistance is here. This is where you have to make your own decisions, everyone. This is hard to decide here. Bitcoin indicator bot flipped the buy on the daily. Look at this, everyone. Okay, decision is a little bit better now. Bitcoin indicator bot flipped the buy on the daily. So you can see here, it flipped the sell here, dropped, and now it just flipped the buy, the Bitcoin indicator bot. The first day that it flipped the buy in quite a few months, actually, since it hasn't flipped the buy from 1st of October. It flipped the sell back in 24th of July. So it's almost been two months of selling, and it just flipped the buy on the Bitcoin, the crypto guru bot. Bitcoin indicator bot on the weekly, also flipping a buy. Look at that, buy, sell, buy. So I'm not selling my positions based off this. According to Elliott Wave, it is time to sell our positions, but if we go with the indicators, target 34k, moving up from here, 34k. Whoa, it's a bit hard. Do I close out this Elliott Wave count, guys? What do you think? Comment down below. You've been watching me. You saw my Elliott Wave counts call it at 31k. You saw my Elliott Wave counts call the correction. You saw my Elliott Wave counts call this final impulse in this corrective wave. What do you think? Should we trust it? Should we sell now? Come back down to the C wave 21k? But in my opinion, just looking at the stochastic, it's not time to be selling. According to the Bitcoin indicator bot, not time to be selling, time to be buying. According to the crypto guru bot, not time to be selling, time to be buying. Difficult. I'm going to keep up my positions here. I'll keep them open until the Bitcoin and crypto guru bot flip sell. Amazing. Congratulations, all of you. Again, buy my Bitcoin trade, $2,100 profits. This account, $307,000, up $4,124 yesterday. Mostly still half in cash, but that's what's really cool now. I have half in cash, but I have 307k, where if you remember before, I was nearly all in crypto, and I had peak of 320k on this account, which is interesting. And I also spend from this account, by the way. My Bybit debit card is connected to my Bybit account, so I can spend with my card and directly spend on my Bybit account my money that I just made $4,000 yesterday with. I can spend it directly on my card. If you want to do what I'm doing, under the video, jamescryptoguru.com, take the courses, Crypto Master Course. Make sure you've taken the courses. You could have made $4,000 plus last night with everyone. And then sign up to Bybit. Trading on Bybit. Number 2, that's where the exchange I use, it's the second biggest. You can have a debit card that's connected directly to your crypto, so when you spend, you're spending your crypto in the gains that we made. So under the video, $30,000 bonus if you use this link, and 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you probably celebrating because we caught this move, which is amazing. And just congratulations to all of you. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave it at this. Comment down below what your thoughts are. And congratulations, all of you. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn the bell. I'm going to go swimming. I just woke up. It's sunrise. Have an amazing day, everyone, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.